All right, this is how your Palmetto State Armory build will arrive. I got this one right here. Oh, I want it. There we go. 5.56, 16 nitride kit. Nice little padded box there. Here's where they include everything you'll need for your build. And here's the Magpul iron sights. Very good quality here. I don't see any blemishes. Really not worried about small blemishes or anything, but here's a charging handle and our bolt group. And for all of these, they have them individually bagged. That's good. That's already in there in the buffer tube, so that's cool. This is all for your trigger and all that good stuff. Pistol grip. And it's got everything but the lower receiver. Okay, yeah, here's all your trigger parts. And here's the Magpul stock. So this will be everything you need for your build. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this today. On the next video, if you want to see me put it together, I will upload that here soon. Yeah, I'm excited about it. You will need a lower receiver. That came in. Let's see. You have to get the lower receiver. This is considered the gun. This is just the lower receiver. At least here in 2024. I got the don't tread on me. Why is it so bad when I try to zoom out? Like, what? Sorry, I'm not the best at doing video with this phone. Seems like I got a little blemish there, but I'm not worried about it. Try not to show my exact digits on there, but Palmetto State Armory. It's good quality build. But yeah, next video I will be installing everything. Thanks for watching.